And that sauce is so hot. Ooh. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. Mili and Sam are taking me to the Tibetan market. It's called
Majnu Ka Tilla.
Majnu Ka Tilla. And that's like the Romeo version of India.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Majnu is the Indian version of Romeo.
And so we're gonna go eat some Tibetan food. I am excited. Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm starving. So what are we doing? Uber? Yeah, let's just do Uber. It's about a 40-minute Uber ride from Kanat. Yeah, I'm vlogging. What's up, man?
What's your channel?
Davidsbeenhere.
Davidsbeenhere.
Travel, man, travel. The walls of the Red Fort.
White stone building. Either Divane Aam or Divane Khas.
What does that mean?
It means the house, the lower house and upper house.
Okay.
It's one of these. Which one is that? But it's either Divane Aam or Divane Khas. It's the backside of the Red Fort.
I'm coming back. I know I'm coming back.
Groundnuts.
Peanuts. I'm messing with you guys. Nice peanuts. Yeah, for sure. Oh man, what's that? Coconut? We don't need coconuts. A lot of people sleeping here. Alright, you get in front. So that's an intense bridge. Super sad. We've entered the Tibetan market. What's happening here? The kids are playing. It's crazy. Wow, hold on. What is this? Wow. This is basically like a Tibetan community that lives here. They live here, they work here, they have cafes, restaurants. Oh, it's some Momos. Where are we? You found it?
This place is famous for momos, or Chinese food, Indian food, both. Like touch of both.
They mix both?
They mix.
This is the center of the Majnu Ka Tilla, Tibetan market.
This is the center, and what she was telling me is that basically the food here is a mix between Indian and Chinese. So they have momos. I don't know, what are we gonna try? Do you know?
I'm just gonna ask my friend.
Let's just eat, dude. Let's just eat. Let's just eat everything. Mili, you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
You hungry? Me too. You hungry?
I'm hungry.
So where are we going?
Dal Makhani cafe or Living House cafe?
We're going to all of them, man. Can I play with you guys? No? Okay. So what is this?
It's a difficult name. Lhaphing. It's called Lhaphing.
Lhaphing. So you're laughing, right? And so what's inside? It's like a spicy red sauce and a bunch of different things, you know?
Nope.
Okay. Wow. So like a noodle crepe with spicy sauce, a little bit of nuts. This is amazing. You want some?
Yes.
Okay.
Good, right? Have some more. Oh, it's amazing. And how much was this?
40 bucks.
40 rupees, and that is 65 cents. We'll have another piece.
All yours.
All mine. This is the best thing I've eaten in India. Oh my god. Anybody want more, or should we go to the next place? Maybe leave me one piece.
I'm sure I will.
Yeah, you can go. You can pass.
Amazing, we'll find you in every corner, man.
Let's just go shopping. Let's do whatever. This is like a maze. This is seriously a maze. We gotta try everything.
Buff sausage.
Blood sausage, morcilla. Okay, I want one. Blood sausage, Tibetan style blood sausage. Morcilla. Wow.
Oh.
Seriously?
I love it.
Let me try.
You want? Try it. That sauce is so hot. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, hot.
It's too hot.
Until she knew what it was. I mean, I love blood sausage. I've been eating this my whole life. Every time I have a barbecue, we get like Argentinian style sausage, blood sausage, which is called morcilla. Look at how amazing this looks. It's a little spicy. I think the sauce is the spicy part, right?
Yeah, sauce is spicy.
Oh, the taste. It's like a delicious Chinese Indian twist right there. That is bomb. The last piece, you don't want it?
No, man, I'm having this one.
Yeah.
You will be pushed on.
I'm gonna be pushing everybody.
One won't believe it. I drove a bike from here.
Yeah?
Yeah, seriously.
You drove a bike through here?
Yeah.
It's amazing. I love this market.
In the daytime, it's more beautiful.
Yeah, I'm sure everything is. So basically, what can we find here? I mean, everything.
Everything.
There's like shops, there's jewelry shops, clothing, convenience store here. It's pretty amazing how tight these alleys are. They're like tiny.
Badges, you know?
Badges. Tibet badges. Dalai Lama right there.
It's kind of noodles. It's kind of noodles.
It's kind of noodles.
Kind of noodles.
You don't know what type of noodles this is? How much for this?
50.
Salafine. So it's noodles with some leaves. By the way, this is the perfect thing we could have done today. Perfect. Perfect. So we ran into this lady here and she's doing some noodles with spices. It's called Salafine. Salafine?
Salafine.
Salafine.
Oh.
Looks spicy.
It looks spicy.
Looks amazing.
And delicious.
Definitely you?
Yeah.
Hey dude, I need it first. You go.
Never use chopsticks, man. Never.
That's horrible.
Oh my god. This is not gonna happen. Oh!
Just the way you're
I'm
talking.
just gonna go.
Woo, it's so hot right
I
now.
just told you, man. So hot.
Look at these noodles. Wow. Oh, it's hot. It's a spicy sauce. There's onions, there's nuts. Oh, it's too hot.
I don't
So I'm gonna drink some of it first. Mmm. Nice. It's not so bad.
But it is spicy.
Noodles are simple.
It's simple, right?
Noodles are simple, the soup is nice.
Hey, I'm gonna share.
Have it.
Yes.
Soup is actually.
So this beanie I brought is very thick. So I was looking for a thin one. What do you guys think about this one? Let's see how I do this. Like that? Is that supposed to be? Very Indian style? I like it. How much is this? So after a little bit of negotiating, I got it down from 200 to 150. That's roughly, what is that? $2.25? It's a deal. Keep my head warm. Yeah. Where are we going?
Living room.
Living room.
Yeah.
This is funny. Traffic jams. How did they come in here with little scooters? It's crazy. There's a lot of restaurants. This is it right here. So this is the living room. This is a mix between Indian, Mexican, and Chinese. So what we're going with? Indian, right?
Indian.
Oh, Indian.
They
Perfect.
have North Indian too.
North Indian too? Okay. Heaven on earth right there.
Dal Makhani. Lentils, yeah, lentils. It's overnight cooked lentils, black lentils. And then baked in butter and cream. It's really delicious. It's like a signature dish of North Indian cuisine.
So overnight cooked black lentils.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then that is the bread.
It's wheat bread.
Wheat bread?
Wheat bread and it's
Like a processed wheat? Okay.
I don't remember
I'll go with this one. Good? Onions. Were they give you bad bread? So how to do this? Put it on top? No,
Just go with it. Just go with it.
This is delicious.
Yeah, it's a mint sauce.
Wow. And how do you do the chicken? With this, right?
No. When you eat Indian style chicken, you need to get your hands dirty.
No. Indian style chicken, don't get your hand messed. This is Afghani chicken. It's like buttery sauce.
Nice.
Oh man. Over the top yummy. Like too yummy. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. This is the most delicious sauce ever.
I'm gonna try it.
Some of this, straight up drink it.
Let's begin the bread.
So just know this, when you come to India, don't try to be on a diet. It doesn't exist here. But really the best thing ever is to just get this bread, dip into the sauce. I like that way better than the dal. No?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful. The Afghan chicken was so good.
My whole tummy is full of it.
So let's see what else we try.
Oh.
This is like This scared me here at night in that little corner. No. That's a lawless little section. So one of the most amazing things about this place is these tiny little alleys. As you can see, this connects the entire community. I'm gonna stay here, not let anybody pass. No, I'm joking. Let's keep going.
Okay, so we accidentally stumbled upon this place, and this place has momos.
Oh my God.
Still open.
Like I said, everything was closed and this place is open. Amazing. Okay, let's have momos. Is he making it now? 2 to 3 minutes. Perfect.
3 minutes.
Everest Fast Food Center.
Saved our day.
Saved our day for sure.
Sit down.
Okay. So here we have the momos, dumplings. This is dim sum, and this I don't know what that sauce is. Let me just try it. Okay. It's like a mayo, a little spicy mayo. And that's real spicy. Here we go. Oh man, that spicy sauce is delicious. That's like sriracha. All right, so a little more sauce. Look at that. Oh, that spicy sauce. The first thing, the Lhaphing, and this are my favorites. I love them some. Oh, what are you doing, buddy? Really good, right? Tasty? We'll split this one. I thank God that we had this meal, because this is the best way to end this video.
The chicken is off. Chicken is here.
Whatever, this dumpling. Too much spice?
Too much spicy.
Alright, so I hope you love this nice street food tour of the Tibetan market. It's full of Tibetan people selling, crafts, clothing, a billion little stores, super windy little alleys. The street food is amazing. I'm sure there was many more, but we got here a little late. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content coming every week. See you on the next adventure.